Another unbelievable Audi's just arrived. Again, this beautiful A3 is top of the range. Glacier White paint, black edition. It's 1.5 petrol engine, covered 15,000 miles on a 2018 18 plate. It's a great car. It's got great spec. Opening tilt and slide sunroof, tech pack. So it's got the virtual dashboard. And then the black edition styling makes the car, especially against the white paint and that beautiful contrast. 18-inch gloss black wheels, black mirror casings, privacy glass, black window surrounds. It's a great car because it offers you everything. Great running costs. Power, I think it's 150 horsepower for this little car, but it's an S-Line black edition, so you've got the beautiful S-Line styling, bumpers, LED front and rear lights, dynamic indicators, beautiful gloss black rear diffuser. Again, rear parking sensors, front parking sensors, great boot space, rubber floor mat from Audi, A3 boot mat. You know, it just shows how well the car's been looked after, and this car is being fully prepared by us here. It's ready to go. Come and pick it up tomorrow if you want to do a deal with us. If we can get it organised, you can literally have it straight away. Now, black edition spec, you've got a beautiful inside of this car. Full S-Line sports interior, which is half leather and sequence cloth, Audi call it. This car is S-tronic, so it's an automatic gearbox, but it's got lovely options on the inside. It really has. That's what makes this car. Flat bottom steering wheel. You've got heated electric door mirrors. You've got tech pack with virtual dashboard, higher grade navigation system, hill assist, and then that beautiful option on the car. Great for the summertime, tilt and sliding sunroof. Rare to be seen in a car like this, which will sell the car. Priced at $21,990. It's a great buy for somebody. Audi quality, reliability, beautiful to sit in, sports S-Line seats, cruise control. The steering wheel is great in these cars, very sporty. S-tronic gearbox with paddle shift, seamless gear changes, popping the car into reverse. We've got rear parking sensors, beautiful pop-up screen from the dashboard with satellite navigation, Apple and Android CarPlay, another big thing about this car. It's stunning, it really is. The tech pack's a big one because it gives you that up-to-date feel of the car, very modern inside, and it's just a belter, isn't it? 1.5 petrol, so it's a great driver. The S-tronic gearbox is a fab gearbox in the Audi, one of the best, I think. And then when you get a car that looks like this with the black edition spec, glacier white paint, that's an option. The facelifted front end with the arrow headlights, xenon headlights with daytime driving lights. It's a great car, beautiful to look at. It's bound to be an instant seller because of the way the car looks. $21,990, what a great car. My name's Richard, thank you.